All right. Good morning, Bear Bull traders. Rare treat for you. You have John here this morning who's going to do a trade recap. Thank God I have something worthwhile to share with you. I traded in a number of things this morning, and what I was doing this morning was trading smart. I was trading small, trying to get a good winner, and but I kept taking little dings on little losses. And I took some on Nvidia. You can see I took one definitely right here on Nvidia, and another. That might have been the biggest one I took. I think I took another one on Tesla. We'll take a look at that. But there were two trades I got into simultaneously, and I shouldn't necessarily do that. In fact, I should definitely not do that. That's kind of a rule breaker for me. But I was looking for a couple things to happen. I was looking for an Nvidia breakout and a Tesla breakout. SPY's ripping right now, by the way, and the Qs. And they both kind of happened at the same time, and I was in them at the same time without a stop at break even for either. So it was a little risque, so to speak. So you can see on my third Nvidia trade here, I got in this, I got a pop, I had it moved in my direction. It's a bit of a spready stock, and so for that reason, it can be a little bit hard to control. And I ended up getting out of it as I thought it was coming back down. And that ended up being a tremendous runner. You can see if I scroll over on my 1 minute chart here, that thing just went up and oh my gosh, it moved $2.50 and now it's going up to its highs as for some reason the market's taking off. I guess because I'm speaking, the market's taking off. I'm much like Chairman Powell here. But as I got out of that Nvidia trade, I got into my third Tesla trade here, and you can see that here. So let's zoom in on my first couple. So I was trying to trade Tesla for a high day break. This is not an ideal first trade. I really want to see a better pullback. I like the levels it was trying to break through and trying to get through 170. Took a shot at that, took a small loss. On my second trade, I got a bit of a pop, and then I just had my stop too high, and I got out of that one, but it ended up coming down to my entry. And then I took a third run through 170. So not a classic high day break, and that the high day is 60 cents above, which is not too far on Tesla. But I was really playing the break of 170. Didn't get the exact timing right. I was off by a candle, but got lucky that it took off. And that trade has worked out very nice. I've had partials, entry near 170, partials near 171, 172, and 174. And I'm still holding a small portion, like 13% of the original position, just to see if I can get up to 175 today. So we'll see if that takes off, and we'll see if that becomes true. Did get a great pop on the market there. I think someone in the chat is saying Biden just confirmed U.S. will likely not default. Likely being the key word there, I guess. And that pop has given most of it back, actually, at this point. So we'll see where that goes. But I'm actually feeling good. My stop on Tesla is way down at 170.09. So I've got a $3. I'm $3 above in price at the moment. I think this thing wants to go 175 today. So I think my plan is, if I can get up there, I'm going to partial at 175 or near there. It'd be nice to get a pop above it, but we'll see how it performs if it gets up there. And then I want to throw my stop not too far below that to protect the rest of the profits. But we'll see. It's Tesla is definitely in a decision zone here around 173. So we could be coming back down, but I'm feeling more confident I might get these last $2. So we'll see how it works out. So thank you for listening today. I hope everyone has a great trading day, and keep it green. Bye-bye.